message is transmitted at the request of Clay County Emergency Management. Black Creek and all its tributaries are in major flood stage and are projected to crest over record flood stage by Wednesday afternoon. All residents in the vicinity of Black Creek and its tributaries are strongly advised to move to higher ground. Flooding has been reported in many low-lying areas around the county and is impacting homes in these areas. A shelter is open at Middleburg High School, 3750 County Road 220, Middleburg. If you have any special needs or need assistance in relocating, please contact Clay County Emergency Management at the following phone number, 904-284-7703.